Hi, this is Tejaswini Urganti, and this is our project secAIAgent, Hack Smarter, Share Faster, and Stay Secure. And our theme is Build a Purposeful AI Agent. We built an AI powered assistant that connects securely with Slack, Notion, GitHub, and Google Calendar to make daily team updates faster and more secure. Every team struggles with fragmented updates, posting stand-ups in Slack, documenting in Notion, tracking tasks in GitHub, and scheduling in Google Calendar. And it's time-consuming, repetitive, and often requires insecure manual token handling. And our agent solves this by unifying all those workflows into one secure dashboard. And here is the dashboard of our project. And at the top, you can see the label, and underneath, you can see the 4 tabs which has Slack, Notion, GitHub, and Google Calendar. Let's start with the Slack. So in the left hand side, you can see the daily update text area where individual can add their daily update status according to their update. And on the right side, you can have your Descope login ID and the time zone. And you can add the Slack channel ID and the name of the person who is submitted the daily update. And once you click on the send to Slack, and it will summarize the daily update using Gemini AI, and it will paste to your Slack. Once on successful sending, you can see this message in the Slack channel. So you can see we have the summarized daily update that was provided in the secAIAgent. And next, go to the Notion. And even in Notion, in the left hand side, you can see the daily update text area, and you can paste the daily updates. And on the right side, you can see the Descope login ID and the time zone and the Notion page ID and the submitted by username. So once you click on the append to Notion, it will append to the text to your Notion page. So you can see the message or appended to the Notion page ID with the summarized text that was given on your left area. Let's go to the GitHub. So here in the first field, you need to provide the Descope login ID and the time zone and the repo of your GitHub where you want to add to your Git issues and the Git issue title. So once click on create GitHub issue, it will be created in your GitHub repo. So this is the commit issue that was raised in our secAIAgent app. And the fourth one is Google Calendar, and the first one is the user ID, the Descope login ID, and the mail ID that was needed to create a Google Calendar invite, and the event title, and the start date. And if I give the end date is prior than the start date, let's see what's happening. Once click on create calendar invite as end date is prior to the start. Let's see what's happening. So the message says the end date must be after start. So let's try to change the end date. And once click on it, if there are any conflicts to your existing timing, it will pop up that you have a conflict time. Do you want to continue or do you want to go back and change your timing? So if I change it, so the event is cancelled. So you can still change that time based on the need. If I click on OK, it will forcefully create the Google Calendar invite in your Google Calendar. And you can see the description along with the title that are provided in the secAIAgent. This app handles all OAuth flows through Descope Outbound Apps. Instead of managing hard-coded tokens, we simply call the connect start endpoint and redirect the user and Descope securely stores these tokens. This keeps our project safe, simple, and extensible. Thanks for watching.